Hi guys, in this video we'll be discussing how our root hair cells adapted, the structure of the xylem, the structure of the phloem, and finally a summary.
Plants need to transport substances in order to survive. In this video, I'll be talking about the different transport systems plants use. So let's start with the roots. Well, the roots of plants have root hair cells on their surface. And this is an example of what a root hair cell looks like. So these root hair cells have projections of hairs, and these stick out into the soil. In this diagram, this is the hair of the root hair cell. So the roots don't just have a few root hair cells, they have millions of them. This is because the root hair cells increase the surface area of the roots. So in this diagram, you can see that the surface area of the root hair cells is greatly increased. This is important as it helps absorb water and mineral ions from the soil. In fact, the concentration of mineral ions in the roots is higher than the concentration in the soil. In this diagram, the small orange dots represent mineral ions, and as you can see, there's a much higher concentration in the roots of the plants, and there is a low concentration in the soil. What this means is that the root takes up these ions through active transport. This is against the concentration gradient, so from low concentration to high concentration, and this requires energy. In this way, mineral ions can move up the plant. In contrast, water moves into the roots from high to low concentration, and this is through osmosis. Now, the xylem is one of the most important transport systems. This can be seen as woody plants, like trees, have most of the tissue made out of xylem. And this is because the xylem helps transport water and other nutrients from the roots to the leaves of the plant. This allows the plant to photosynthesize. So let's look at the structure of the xylem. Well, the xylem is made up of hollow tubes. And you can see in this diagram that the hollow tube...
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE biology and combined science videos, just click the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and together let's make biology at GCSE a walk in the park.